I believe for most of them, the 450s, 500s, and 600s and 700s, they're all about the same. So the first thing you're gonna do is there's some screws here, 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 and here that you're gonna take out, and then you're gonna be able to pull this piece off. Let me do that real fast. Got that one out, and I'm gonna get these other two out, and then I'll start showing you from there. Now that I've got the 4 bolts undone, this piece just kind of pops out. You're gonna kind of wiggle it a little bit, and then you can see this whole top panel pops off. And then next you're gonna pull this piece off. So it takes a little bit of work. There's some brackets up here, so I had to use 2 hands real fast. And there's 2 things down here that put on that slope. I had to pull up pretty hard on this side and over on this side in order to get those to pop out. And then these pieces just slide out. And so now it should come off. Take 2 hands to get it done real fast. So I pulled this piece off. I'm off from around there. And then you've got a piece down there that fits down into a little groove. So this is kind of what the back side looks like, just so you know when you're pulling it out. And then next, you're gonna be looking for your antifreeze, your coolant. It's this right here. So you just push down, and then you push and twist, and then you can fill it back up. And then just make sure you put it on, that you push down and twist it back on. And that's how you fill up your antifreeze on your Polaris Sportsman.